Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel. So we're gonna do a small video vlog for you guys tonight. It's December 13th, Friday the 13th, woohoo! And we are here in Hamburg, New York, and we are going through the Festival of Lights. It's my first time and it's Novelle's second time, and how many times have you been here? It's Colt's millionth time, we'll say, because he's been here multiple times with his family. But Novelle came here last year with Grammy and Grampy. So this year we're taking her, and she's in the front seat because you're only going 2 miles an hour. So we're allowed to have the children in the front seat. We just got to be extra careful. But anyway, Novelle's trying to unlock the door and lock it again. We're going to be showing you guys everything that comes throughout here. We're just waiting in line to pay, and then we're going to be heading in. See you guys soon. Look at all these cars. Tons of people waiting to see the Festival of Lights. Look at all of them up there. Look how pretty those lights are. It's our tunnel. You ready, Novelle? You ready to go to the Festival of Lights?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
They go.
Daddy's going too?
Yeah.
So when you first come in, it tells you to set your radio on in your car to AM 1620, and this is the music we get to listen to. I told them on the way here we were gonna program some Christmas music so we could hear it. So, are we in there now? I think we're still in line waiting to pay. We haven't paid yet. So, we're gonna jam out and I'll show you guys some lights. If you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, yippee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Mommy singing? Where? Are you excited? You excited, Novelle? This is just coming in to waiting in line. They decorate like the entire thing to show us. There's a deer up over here. If it'll focus, Novelle's dancing. You see it? That's really pretty. Excuse you, Peggy. But I really like this. This is really super cool. That thing is huge. Looking at it on my camera just does not do it justice at all. This is a long line. Right there, look at the peacock, Novelle. Look at the peacock right there. So pretty.
Yes?
Oh, look at the cow! My phone won't focus. Look! I like that. Yeah, you see them? Look at the soldiers, they're marching. Where? Oh, that's so cute. This is pretty cool.
Playing on the
La la
sides.
la. If you guys have never been here before, you guys totally should check it out. It's my first time and I'm loving it. We're only like, literally like a minute or two through. We have a long ways to go. Are you dancing? Ah! What are you looking at? Look, is that Scooby? Right there. Was that Scooby?
Yeah.
12 days to Christmas.
Scooby?
Where's Scooby?
Scooby.
Whatever.
Yeah. Scooby,
What do you see? No, it's been open since November 29th. But that's awfully funny that we came today then.
It's in the cards. It's in the
Look at the duckies.
Over here.
Trying to get all of the goose, whatever, geese.
Over here, look. Look, Lily, over here. Over here. Not at the fence, over here.
Yeah?
Look, there's a cow.
Thought that I was fast asleep in mama. And mama put her on me. Daddy looked a lot like him. Santa looked a lot like daddy. Daddy
She's
looked a lot
dancing.
like him. Santa Claus looked at Ben.
I see.
Like daddy. My daddy looked a lot like him.
Okay. It's an elephant.
Not the way I had. Santa was much too thin. He didn't come down the chimney. Look at him. Santa looked a lot like daddy.
Look at them. Oh boy. What? Home of the Buffalo Bills. Woohoo! What? What is that?
That's the Sabres.
Oh, and the Sabres hockey team. Woohoo! Not a fan. I remember every single morning when I was a kid, I used to wake up in the morning and this would be the song playing for like the news. That's how old the song is to me. Happy holidays from Channel 4. And good night to all. And to all, a good night. Is this it? Oh, we already went through it? We're gonna go into Frosty's 3D adventure. We got our 3D glasses on. Let's see how it works with my glasses. And I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like.
So cool, huh? Get a selfie with her.
Oh.
Look, Novelli, look how cool it is.
So pretty in here.
He searched his pockets, friend.